Finally, we are visiting the 𝗨𝗀𝗡 village. And yes, we are finally visiting the 𝗨𝗀𝗡 village where 𝗨𝗀𝗏 Buddha is located.
Ginamit namin ay cable car and 25 minutes lang yung travel time. Naka-discount kami sa Klook app. Hindi talaga namin to na pupuntahan before kasi may kamahalan yung cable car. Ngayon ginamit ko yung Klook Pass, so mas nakatipid pa ng bongga. Pwede nyo rin naman pala siyang i-hike, pero yun nga lang 2 hours or 3 hours, depende sa lakad nyo. What's good here in 𝗨𝗡𝗡 village, this is really free, no? Wala talaga siyang ticket
Or entrance fee, kaya bonggang-bongga, diba?
And meron din ditong choco art, the art of chocolates, wherein pwede kang mag-create ng sarili mong chocolates, gumawa ka, mag-design ka, no? Pwede kang makapasok dyan by buying the ticket sa Klook app. Meron niya silang na-offer. And again, discounted price ulit yan.
At meron din maraming shops and restaurants.
So guys, ito na nga, papunta na kami sa 𝗨𝗏 Buddha, wherein this is the second largest seating Buddha made of bronze. So this is the ground floor or yung pinakababa ng hagdan, wherein yung steps niya is 268 steps. Paakyat. Sobrang nakaka-challenge to, no, kung titingnan mo. Pwede rin naman humintuhin to pag pagod ka at mag 0.5 challenge ka na video. And finally nga, ito na ang pinaka-achievement natin for today. So guys, that's it. Bumaba ulit kami and after that, meron din 𝗨𝗏 Monastery and the Wisdom Path, wherein you can embark on a journey of self-discovery. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo guys. You can stay here kahit half day or whole day, depende sa inyo. Maganda yung place niya, very relaxing, and syempre pagbalik namin, gumamit ulit kami ng cable car. And by the way, dun sa dinaanan na cable car, makikita nyo rin dun yung Cherry Blossom Garden. So yun guys, dito sa area na to, meron ka na agad maraming mapupuntahan na sobrang sikat dito sa Hong Kong. Please follow us for more!